Crypto Market 2025, bold predictions that investors can't ignore. Hi and welcome to our new and returning viewers here at Astro Wealth. Thank you for stopping by as we unravel the most compelling market predictions for cryptocurrency in 2025. Seeking insights, forecasts, or outlier predictions that could define your next investment move? You're in the right place. Before we dive in, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Predictions are speculative. Markets swing unexpectedly, so always do your research before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to join the conversation by sharing your favorite picks, news, and insights in the comments. And if you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to Astro Wealth for weekly, insightful crypto deep dives. Will 2025 see the continuation of a roaring bull market, or are we teetering near the top? As top analysts in the crypto and traditional financial sectors release their predictions, one macroeconomic trend keeps emerging: global liquidity. The M2 money supply is forecasted to rise, and with it, significant capital could shift into risk-on markets like crypto. But economic dynamics may not be the sole driving force. A lighter regulatory environment in the US, accelerated by major geopolitical factors such as Donald Trump's potential re-election, could open new horizons for digital assets as the US dollar faces increasing scrutiny. Analysts from global financial institutions also see this as the year nations expand Bitcoin reserves, with estimates suggesting a doubling of state-held Bitcoin by the end of 2025. If such moves occur, the crypto market's valuation could soar past $1 trillion according to Bitwise, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's talk about Bitcoin, the crown jewel of crypto. Analysts from VanEck and Bitwise forecast BTC could reach $180,000 to $200,000 in 2025. The driving force? The monumental adoption of Bitcoin ETFs launched in the US in 2024. By the end of last year, 5% of Bitcoin's total supply was locked into ETFs. Institutions like BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, and Merrill Lynch are leading the charge. Interestingly, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF outperformed its gold ETF in assets, cementing Bitcoin's digital gold narrative. With anticipated ETF inflows surging past $33 billion, the question isn't whether Bitcoin will rise, but how high. Another bombshell prediction? A 50% plus likelihood that the US government begins establishing a national Bitcoin reserve, triggering the possibility of Bitcoin surging to over $500,000. Ethereum trudged through a challenging 2024, with its valuation slipping relative to Bitcoin. But experts now believe 2025 could mark ETH's grand resurgence. Predictions from VanEck place Ethereum's price at $66,000, while Bitwise takes a more conservative approach, estimating $7,000. What's driving these wild predictions? Two words: Layer 2 solutions. Platforms like Base, backed by Coinbase, are poised to capitalize on Ethereum's scalability improvements, offering exponential growth potential. Meanwhile, advancements in real-world asset tokenization and the launch of staking-enabled ETFs could further solidify Ethereum's position as a favorite among long-term investors. Enter Solana, Ethereum's so-called killer. Its appeal lies in its rapid innovation, capturing retail investors' attention. Predictions for 2025 give Solana strong short-term upside boosted by the narrative surrounding its technology. Yet, Ethereum maintains a competitive edge in institutional adoption, especially in areas like stablecoins and real-world asset tokenization. Long-term investors continue to favor Ethereum for its robust fundamentals, including greater developer activity, total value locked, and widespread blockchain use cases. The buzzword of 2025? Tokenization. Blockchain technology is transforming traditional assets like real estate, commodities, and stocks into digital tokens. This innovation offers unmatched liquidity, easier trading accessibility, and fraction-based ownership. Incredibly, real-world asset tokenization has already grown from $2 billion 2 years ago to $13 billion today. Predictions indicate that figure could hit $50 billion by the year's end. Stablecoins remain the MVP in this space, thanks to their seamless use in everyday transactions, from restaurants to retail stores. With expected US legislation clarifying regulations for stablecoins, the market could reach $400 billion, doubling its current size. As stablecoins grow, their accessibility could provide an unexpected boon for the US dollar, reversing de-dollarization trends. Because stablecoins are predominantly US dollar denominated, global businesses and consumers may increasingly turn to them for borderless payments. ARK Invest and Pantera Capital have identified stablecoins as the next frontier for small to medium-sized enterprise adoption on a global scale. A word of caution for all investors: never neglect your exit strategy. While predictions for 2025 appear immensely bullish, the crypto market remains notoriously volatile. Here are 3 key indicators you should watch for. Bitcoin dominance falling below 40%. A decline in Bitcoin's dominance over altcoins can signal speculative euphoria, warning of an incoming crash. Market value to realized value (MVRV) ratio exceeding 5. When Bitcoin's ratio reaches this threshold, it signals that investors could be overvaluing the market. Mainstream hype. If those around you, especially non-investors, are suddenly jumping into crypto, it could be a sign of market saturation and an impending reversal. What do you think of these bold predictions? Do you see Ethereum regaining its crown or Solana maintaining its fiery rise? Could Bitcoin actually hit $500K? Drop your thoughts, reactions, or disagreements in the comments section. If you enjoyed this in-depth analysis, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Astro Wealth, and click that notification bell to stay ahead of the game. Catch you in our next video as we keep unveiling crypto's best-kept secrets for your portfolio. Stay informed, stay invested, stay Astro Wealthy.